Now listen to me. You're right, Mike. For a while, I wanted to see you fail. Because you thought you were the only rigger that made other men rich year after year while your own family pinched pennies to make ends meet.
I'm done with the talking. At least, I don't give up.
Well, do you think I joined the Wilco to take the easy way out?
Yeah.
That was the hardest damn thing I ever did. But I've been around enough to know that I don't want to be an over-the-hill rigger.
Tell me about Adler.
He's on the payroll.
Right.
He wants my job, and they want your well.
They're crazy if they think I'm gonna sell now. How's Hayes?
Well, I've done as much as I can for now.
What about the ambulances? Have they been called?
Yeah, they're on their way.
We've got asbestos suits, fire shields, enough nitro.
Are you still thinking of blowing that well?
What are you talking about?
I was gonna try to blow the well, but it wouldn't work. What's the point? We've had it.
Well, of course there's a point. David, keep everybody in here.
All right, we're gonna need everyone that can work to get out there clearing hot metal. What about your job?
Adler can have it.
Okay, man, get moving. I want all the metal out of range. Now! Somebody get that pipe! Somebody check back there! All those pieces of rigging out of range. This well's blown all over the valley. Come on, let's move it. I need some help over here. Now!
David, come over here a minute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need your help.
I'll do whatever I can.
The bulldozer's out of commission, so we're gonna have to set these explosives by hand.
You mean you are actually gonna go out and get into that fire?
We have to. It's the only way. Now, Keller's on the crane, so Mike's gonna need one other person he can trust, and that leaves you.
I'll do my best.
Attaboy.
All right, let's get out there. We're gonna blow this thing.
I'm setting the explosives. David's gonna carry the shield for me.
Oh, no way anybody sets that charge. It's gonna be me.
Why?
Because it's my well. It's my responsibility. All right, city boy. You're gonna work the detonator.
Well, I think I should tell you both I have never fired a detonator in my life.
Oh, we're gonna show you how. And you're gonna watch a couple of old pros put out a wildfire.
We got a couple of minutes to do it all work. Come on, let's move it.
It'd be pretty hard to miss in that outfit.
That's the point. Just keep your eyes on these suits. Don't look away no matter what.
Okay.
We'll raise this flag when we're about ready for it to detonate. I'll drop it, you count to 5, and push that thing.
Right.
Now, we won't drop it until we're well out of blast range. You're gonna be safe here.
8 years of nitro wrapped in double asbestos.
Hey, the asbestos is thick enough to keep the heat out till we can plant it.
Well, all the hot metal and debris have been cleared, Mike. There's nothing left to overheat.
What about Keller?
Well, he's bringing the crane into place now to cap the well.
Now look, pull these wires right here. There's a lot of strain here when we start to pay out.
All right.
Mike, all the hot metal's been cleared out of range. It's all ready for you.
Now pick up the nitro. That's it. Easy now, easy, easy. it out? Is it capped?
You just stay still. No, stay still. Yeah, Dad, it's capped.